Are you a freelancer, a designer, a marketer, or are you a skilled person who's looking for a job? And if you don't have a portfolio website, then there is a 99% chance that you won't get a job. Let me share my personal experience with you. So far I have done nearly 1200 plus freelance projects, and over 90% of clients of mine came through my portfolio website. Even I have done 100 plus jobs on freelancing marketplaces, and 80% of clients asked me this question first: do you have a portfolio website? So many of you guys always ask me, how did I land so many freelance jobs while others are suffering to get their first job? Then my number suggestion would be, make your portfolio website before anything. Now in this tutorial I will show you how to create a portfolio website that will help you to attract more clients. To create this amazing website, we will be using a free CMS, a free theme, a free page builder, and all free resources. And you don't need to know a single line of coding. We will be creating everything just by drag and drop. So no matter if you haven't made a website before, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's now have a look at what we're going to make in this tutorial. I will show you how to make this amazing banner area with your name, this animating text, this download CV button. By clicking here, people can download your CV directly into their computer. Then how to create this video pop-up box. People can watch this video from this pop-up. Let's close it. I will show you by using a free online tool how you can create awesome hero images to use on this website's banner. Next, how to create this wonderful about area. You can change your image, your description, all these icons, everything. By the way, I want to tell you one interesting thing up front. You can easily change this website's color with your brand color. Let's say if your brand color is green, we will turn our global color into green. If your brand color is pink, we will turn our global color into pink. I will show you how easily you can do that. Alright. Next, we will have this beautiful services area. Here we can see 3 services, but if you have more services, I will show you how to add those services as well. Then next, here you can describe both your educational and professional experiences by using these beautiful tabs. Here under education, you can describe here all your educational background, and under this experience tab, you can describe here all of your previous job experiences. Then this area is the most important portfolio showcasing area. If you're a logo designer, you can showcase your whole logos or any design work here. Or let's say if you are a web designer, then you can showcase your portfolio like this. You can add external links with this preview button. It will take them to a different website. Then here is the amazing animating mark you area. You can add your skills or fun facts about you here. Next, you can add here your contact details and weekly available time. And by using this contact form, people can send you email directly from inside of your website, which is really very convenient. Also, just have a look at the left sidebar. While you scroll through the page, menu items are automatically activated. Also, it's working as jump buttons, so people can navigate through this page by clicking on these buttons. Also, our website would be 100% responsive for all mobile and tablet devices. Can you believe we will be doing all of this just by drag and drop and by using only free resources? I'm really excited. If you're excited like me, please give this video a big thumbs up. This is the only thing I want from you. Just have a look. If you like this video, then from YouTube's left bar, you can go to liked videos and find this video easily later. Alright, we will be creating our beautiful portfolio website in easy 4 steps. First, I will show you how to get your own domain name and web hosting. I will also provide you a 78% discount link. Then how to install WordPress. Then how to install a free theme and a free page builder. Finally, we will start customizing our amazing website. Also, I will be adding a timestamp in the description so you can always jump into the necessary part you need. Let's now start with step number 1, which is to get your domain name and web hosting. So first of all, what is a domain name? Domain name is basically your website address. Like Facebook has facebook.com, Amazon has amazon.com, we have jimfahaddigital.com. Similarly, for your website, you need an address that will be your website name.com. And what is web hosting? Web hosting is the storage space for your website. all the images, text you will have in your website, all will be stored on your own web hosting. As you are owning your own web hosting, so there wouldn't be any limitation. You can run ads, you can upload any text or images, you can upload any theme or plugin you want. You are the in charge of your own website. Now, how to get your own web hosting with a free domain name? So first, just click on the very first link in the description below this video, or you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com/myhost. And this will take you a special discounted Hostinger page. So why Hostinger? In my opinion, Hostinger is the most affordable and also the fastest web hosting provider available. Just have a look into all their Trustpilot reviews. People are super happy with their hosting speed, affordable pricing, and customer support. Now from here, you can change the language if you want. Maybe you speak Spanish or Portuguese or Hindi. You can select your language from here. One thing I also do want to say is that this page changes quite often. In fact, they probably change it once a month. So if this banner or this whole interface looks different than this one, don't worry, don't panic. This happens quite often, it's the same website. Let's now scroll down a bit here. You will find all the different plans. By the way, here we can see 3 plans, but sometimes you may see 4 plans here. Just don't panic, because you can create your website with any of these plans. But as you are just starting out, I recommend taking this premium or this business plan. With both of these plans, you can create up to 100 websites. For example, today you are creating a portfolio website, tomorrow you want to create a business website, and the next week you may want to create an e-commerce website. So you don't need to purchase hosting each time. You can create all the websites within the same web hosting plan. So here with this premium plan, you will get 100 GB SSD storage. With the business plan, you will get 200 GB NVMe storage. And with all of these plans, you will get all the features like unlimited free SSL. So all of your websites would be encrypted and super secure. Unlimited bandwidth. So there wouldn't be any limit how many website visitors you will have. Free email. You can create hundreds of professional email addresses like info@yourwebsite.com or admin@yourwebsite.com like this. Then free domain. Yes, like I said, you will get a domain name for free. You will also get tons of WordPress features like one-click WordPress installation, free automatic website migration. So if you want to move your existing website from another hosting provider to Hostinger, they will transfer it on behalf of you. How cool is that? Now let's talk about security. Personally, I'm very serious about website security, and Hostinger just nailed it with all the features like Cloudflare protected name servers, malware scanner, and all these. I have had very bad experiences with other web hosting providers. We have got so many malware attacks and we had to pay the hosting providers additionally to use their other security tools. But here in Hostinger, you are getting all these security tools for free. Alright, let's now select a plan. And like I said, you can take any of these plans based on your needs. So for now, I'm taking the premium plan. You can upgrade it later anytime. So click here on Add to Cart. Alright, let's just go ahead and scroll down. Right here, you are going to see different pricing options. Now, this is referring to how long do you want to host with Hostinger. So we have 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, and then we also have 48 months. First of all, I don't recommend going with this 1 month plan because you see it's almost $12 a month, which is super expensive. We don't want that. My recommendation would be go with 48 months. So for the first 4 years, you just need to pay $2.99 per month. That will save you in total $432. And then after those 4 years, you start to pay only $6.99 per month, which is still super affordable for a web hosting plan that can hold up to 100 websites. But if you want to start with 2 years or 1 year, you can click over here. And then in your first year, you just pay $2.99 per month, and you are still going to create up to 100 websites. And after that first year, you start to pay $9.99 per month. So the longer the first period, the more discount you will get when you renew the plan. So if you have the budget and you want to get the most discount possible, you can go for the 48 months plan. And after those 48 months, you start to pay around, $6.99 per month instead of $9.99. But wait, there is more. If you just click here on continue, here you need to create your account. But you see all these fields are optional. You just need to select your country. Otherwise, I'm skipping this form because we can add these informations later after creating our account. So let's scroll down. Here you just need to put your email address. Here I'm writing my email address. Make sure to put your best email address because they will create your hosting account with this email address. Let's now click on continue. And here, like I said, I have got more surprises for you. So here you see it says have a coupon code. Just click there. And here if you fill in with my special coupon code, which is JFD10, and you click on apply, you will now get a total 78% discount. Can you believe we're getting super fast web hosting with a free domain name for the full year only for $32? What an amazing deal, right? Here at the left side, you can see different payment options. So you can pay using your credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or even you can use your cryptocurrency. Also, you may see more different local payment options based on your country. So here, let's just scroll down. Here, I'm putting my credit card information. Now click on Submit Secure Payment. Then it will redirect us to the control panel. Let's set a very strong password here. Let's retype the password. Let's confirm it. Then you can see an interface like this. But let's say for some reason if you just got logged out, you can again just go to hostinger.com. From the top right corner, click on Login. Then here you just need to put your email address and the password you have just set. That will take you inside of the Hostinger dashboard. And here you see it's asking to verify our email address, and it's very important. So now I'm going inside of my email inbox, and here you need to click on this verify email button. So it's now verified. From this interface, you see it says premium web hosting. Just click on this setup button. You can see the same setup interface what we have seen at the very beginning here. From here, click on Start Now. Let's skip this by clicking here. As we want to create a new website, so from here it says create a new website, just click on Select. We will be using WordPress to create our website, so from here let's select WordPress. Here, put your email address and set a very strong password. I'm giving mine. Let's click on Continue. I don't want to add any plugins, so I'm deselecting them all. Let's now scroll down, click on Continue. We also don't need any theme from here, so scroll down and click on Skip. If you already have your domain name, you just want to transfer it in Hostinger, then you can select this option. But now, as you have got a free domain with Hostinger, so here I'm selecting this option. It says claim a free domain. So click on select. First of all, from here, you can select any extension like .com, .online, .link, .shop. But I'm selecting .com extension because .com websites look more professional and legit. But you can select any extension you want. And then within this field, you need to write your desired domain name. You can put your name or your business name. It would be your website address. So take some moment, think about it, and put that domain name here. I'm typing here Jim Toots, and let's now click on this search. It says domain is available. That's awesome. Let's now click on Continue. Now we need to fill up some details for my domain registration. So here I'm selecting my country Bangladesh and I'm selecting personal. Then click on Next Step. Here I'm quickly putting my name and contact details. And now click on Finish Registration. Now click on Finish Setup. And then just wait a little. Here WordPress will be installed on this brand new domain name. You see the percentage here, we are almost ready to go. So we have successfully completed our domain registration. Now first just have a look inside of our control panel. So from here click on Manage Site. I know it may look overwhelming, but it's super easy. Actually, you don't need to do a lot of things here within this cPanel. Just do a few things. Let's go inside WordPress dashboard. So click on WordPress overview here. And from this place, just make sure this force HTTPS option is turned on. Then click on this edit website button. It will redirect us within our brand new WordPress admin panel. Alright, so we are now inside WordPress admin panel or WordPress dashboard. I will make you familiar with all of these options like posts, media, pages, appearance, plugins, all of this. But now before doing any other thing, the first thing I want to do, I want to clean up my WordPress dashboard because personally I love to work in a clean environment. So here at the top we can see some notification. So to close it, let's first click on this X, and also let's minimize all of them, or we can do another thing. From top, just open the screen options. From here we can just deselect all of them like this and click on screen options once again. Now I wanna clean up my WordPress dashboard more. So from left side, let's go to plugins to installed plugins and just let it load. And here we can see a lot of plugins. Actually, we don't need them. They came with from default WordPress installation. Okay, so you can just select them one by one like this, or you can select all of them together. So from here, let's just select all of them. And first of all, from this bulk action, I just wanna deactivate all of them. So I'm selecting deactivate, click on apply. And then let's select all of them together again. And this time from bulk action, click on delete and click on apply. The browser pop-up says I'm sure or not. Yes, I'm sure. So just click on OK. So now all the unnecessary plugin has been deleted. By the way, if you wonder what is a WordPress plugin is basically extra add-on or extra app-like thing which extends the functionality of your WordPress website. And we will be needing some other plugins, but actually we don't need these plugins. That's why we have deleted all of them. Okay, so now from left side, let's go to pages to all pages. And here we can see some dummy pages. Actually, we also don't need them. So from here, just click on bin to delete it. Or this sample page, we can also delete it just by clicking on this bin. Alright, the next thing I want to show you how to change your password. Okay, so from left side, just hover on users. From there, let's click on profile. So from here you can, if you want, you can change this admin color scheme, like you can set it to light or modern or blue. Actually it doesn't matter because only you can see it. You see the left sidebar and the top bar color has been changed. So I'm just going back to the default. And let's now scroll down, and from here if you want you can give your first name here, like I'm giving here Jim, my last name I'm giving here Fahad, and my nickname I'm setting it as Jim Fahad, and here display name publicly as I'm setting it as Jim Fahad. And then if you want to change your email address, you can do that from this place. And if you want, you can add some information about yourself, and you can change your profile picture, your WordPress profile picture from this place. Just click here on this link and you can change this picture with your own picture. And then here under account management, it says new password. Just click on set new password, and here WordPress is suggesting a very strong password, but actually I wanna set a password which is easily rememberable for me. So first of all, I'm just clicking on hide, and here I'm typing my password. Alright, at this moment it says medium, but as it's a tutorial video, so I'm okay with it. Let's scroll down and click on update profile. And now I wanna make you understand with two basic terms. One is the dashboard or the backend, and another one is the front end. So right now we are at the backend, or we are at the WordPress dashboard here. And if you wanna see the front end of our website, from the top left side, you just need to hover on your site name, and here you see it says visit site. I'm just opening it from a new tab, and here we can see the front end of our website. So at this moment, if anyone comes to the URL of our website, which is jimtoots.com, so they can see this portion of the website. Right now it looks super bland, but we will make our beautiful website out of it. Okay, so here actually this look and feel is basically coming from a theme. So the first thing I want to do, I want to change the theme of our website. Okay, so to do it, let's just go back to our WordPress dashboard, and from here, in order to change the theme, hover on appearance. From there, go to themes, and here we can only see these 3 themes. Actually, these are also coming from the WordPress default installation, but actually I want to install another theme. So from here, I'm just clicking on this big add new theme button, and here I'm searching for Hello Elementor. Actually, we can see it here, but for some reason, if you cannot see it here, you can search it from this place. Like here, I'm searching Hello Elementor, and just wait a little. Here we go, it says Hello Elementor. So this is the theme I want to install. From here, click on install, and then click on activate. So the Hello Elementor theme is installed and activated properly. If we now go to the front end of our website, and if we now refresh, you see the look and feel of our website has been changed. It's still looking super boring, but no worries, at least we can understand the new theme has been applied here. Okay, now to create our beautiful website, like I said, we will be using a free page builder. And to get the free page builder, you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description. So from that page, from under important links, here you see it says get Elementor free version. Just click there, and it will take you to the Elementor Pro pricing page. If you want, you can purchase Elementor Pro because it has lot more options or lot more offers for you. But for this particular tutorial, actually I will be using the free version. Okay, so from top, you just need to create your free Elementor account. So you can just click on login, and here from this page, just click on create an account to create your new account. And as it will be a free account, so you just need to put your email address and set a password, and then click on create my account. As I already have my free Elementor account, so I'm not creating one. So make sure you have created your free Elementor account, and then go back inside WordPress page builder. It's not a WordPress page builder, just go inside your WordPress admin panel. Okay, so you have created your free Elementor account. Now from inside WordPress dashboard, you need to install Elementor page builder plugin. So to install the plugin, from left side, hover on plugins. From there, click on add new, and here from this directory, I will be searching for Elementor. So from this search bar here, I'm just typing Elementor. Just wait a little, and here you go, it says Elementor website builder. So this one, it has 5 million plus active installation. So now click on install now, and then just click on activate. Alright, so Elementor page builder has been installed and activated properly, and for the moment just skip it. Just from the top right corner, click on this X, and here I wanna also minimize it. So from screen options, let's just deselect Elementor overview and click on screen options again. Okay, so now I wanna make you familiar with Elementor page builder. So first of all, I just wanna create a dummy page. So from left side, hover on pages, and here click on add new. And here it tries to direct us how to do it, but no worries, because I'm here to guide you. So just close it, and here we can see it in full screen mode, but I don't want it. So from the top right corner, click on these 3 dots, and I'm just disabling the full screen mode from here, because I always love to have this sidebar at the left so I can navigate anywhere from this place. Okay, so first of all, for this page, I'm giving it a dummy name, which is awesome page. And from top right corner, click on publish, and click on publish one more time. And now, like I said, I just want to show you how Elementor works. For that reason, let's just click on here. It says edit with Elementor. Let's now close this pop-up by clicking on this X. So right now we are inside Elementor page builder. Here's the fun part begin. So here at the top, you can see all this header information, and also at the footer, you can see this copyright text. So this header and footer is basically coming from the Hello Elementor theme. And here within this canvas, we will be creating our beautiful website. And just have a look at the left side. So all these are Elementor elements or Elementor widgets. Like here we can see heading, image, text editor, video, divider, button. All these are Elementor elements or Elementor widgets. there are more. If we just scroll down, here you will find some pro elements like posts, menu, form, loop carousel, loop grid. If you want, you can use these pro widgets just by purchasing Elementor Pro. I will also put Elementor Pro purchase link in the description. But for this particular tutorial, I won't be using Elementor Pro, so I'm minimizing it. Here you can see more free widgets like image box, icon box, image carousel, all of these. Now just let me give you a very basic idea how Elementor Page Builder works. It's super fun to use. So let's say if you want to create any section or any banner, first of all you need to take a container. Okay, so just click on this plus icon, and from here you can take any of these structures. So for example, I'm taking this first structure. So here everything you can see within this pink border, this is this container. Okay, so if you want to increase the height of this container, you can do that from the left side. So it says minimum height. You can just drag this bar to the right. You see it started increasing the height. So here I'm just keeping it 400, or if you just drag it to the left, you see the height started decreasing. Also you can just manually put the value here. So I'm just writing 400. So the height is now 400 here. Now let's say if you want to add any background color with this container. So from left side you see there are 3 tabs. So first one is layout, then the style, and then here's the advanced tab. So now as I want to do some styling with this container, I'm going under this style tab. So from here, like I said, I want to add a background color. So from the background type, just open this classic, just click on this classic icon, and here you will find a color picker. So open the color picker, and from here, okay, first of all just close it, and from this color picker you can select any of these colors like red or black. Also here at the bottom you will find all the colors. So if I drag this color picker here, and you see you will find all other colors, also red colors, all of them. Okay, so for the moment I'm just keeping the background color to black. And also if you want, you can add any background image here as well. So in order to add any background image, you need to click here on this image icon. It says choose image. So I'm just clicking here. Then from here click on select files. So from your computer you can select any image. By the way, all the images I'm using in this tutorial, I will put the image download link in the description as well. Okay, so from inside this image folder here, for example, I'm just adding this image. Select it and click on open. So here image has been uploaded. Now select the image, and from here click on select, and here we can see the image. And also if you want, you can adjust the position of the image. So from here you see it says position. So you can set it to center left like this, or you can set it to center right. Also you can set it to top left, or you can just mess with all of them. And for the moment I'm just making it to center. And also from here I'm just keeping the repeat value to no repeat. And here you can also play with the display size, but I'm just keeping it as cover, so it covers this whole area. And here I want to show you some other interesting thing, like here if I just open the background overlay, because if you want you can add any color overlay at the top of this image. Okay, so from here you see background type, so open this classic mode. Also from this color picker, let's say if you just select this red color, so here is a red overlay at the top of this image, but for now I'm just giving it a black overlay. And here you can actually control the opacity. So if you drag it to the right, you see it's getting more darker. If you just drag it to the left, it's now getting more transparent. Okay, so for the moment I'm just keeping it like this, 0.4 opacity here. And now I want to add a heading widget within this area. So just click on this plus icon, and here we can find all the elements or widgets of the Elementor Page Builder. So from left side I'm just dragging this heading element within this container here, and we can instantly see the heading here. And if you want to change the heading, you can do that from here. You can change the heading from the left field here. So here I'm just writing Jim Fahad Digital. So here if you want, you can make the alignment to right aligned or center aligned. And you see it's now horizontally centered, but also I want to make it vertically centered. And to do that, actually I will be selecting its parent container, which is this one. So let's select this by clicking on these 6 dots, and from under its layout tab, just here justify content, I'm making it to centered, so it's now also vertically centered. Okay, and here if you wanna again change anything with this heading, just click over that. You will find all the editing option at the left side here. Now let's just go under this headings style tab here. So from text color, just open the color picker. You can change the color to any other color. So for the moment I'm just making it to white color, and then underneath you can play with the typography. So just click on this pencil icon. From here open the font family. Here you will find all the Google fonts. So if you select any of them, so for example I'm just selecting this font, you see the font has been changed instantly. How cool is that? Okay, so from the font family I'm using one of my favorite fonts, which is Poppins. So I'm selecting this. Now if you want to increase the font size, you just need to drag this, this font sizes bar to the right side like this. If you just drag it to the right side, you see it's becoming bigger. If you drag it to the left, it's now becoming smaller. So I'm just keeping it like this. And then you can also play with its weight, so you can make it really bold, or you can just make it to 700 so it less bolder. And then if you want, you can play with the transform, like you can make it all uppercase or lowercase or capitalize. I'm just moving it to just make it default. Also you can play with all other options like style, decoration, and all of this. Just mess with them, you will get familiar with all these options. Alright, now let's say right underneath this heading, if you want to add some other element, so from left side if you just click on this Rubik's cube icon, you will find all this element option. So let's say you want to add some paragraph here. So from here you see it says text editor. Let's just drag it underneath this heading here, so we can see the paragraph text here. I want to also make it centered aligned, and I want to make its color to white. So let's go under its style tab. From here I'm making the alignment to centered, and text color, let's also make it to white. And you can also play with its typography. You can make the font size bigger, you can play with font weight, transform, and all of these options. Now let's say if you want to add a button underneath this paragraph, so you just need to click on this Rubik's cube icon, and from here I'm just looking for a button. Here we go. Just drag this button widget here underneath this paragraph, and here we can see the button. Let's say it says click here, so I just want to change it to view more. So from inside of this field I'm just writing here view more. You see it's instantly changed. I'm making its alignment to centered by clicking here. And then if you want to do some styling with it, you just need to go under its style tab, and let's say I want to change its background color to red color. So from here I'm just changing this color to red color. So from here I'm making it red, and it's instantly red. And let's say if you want to change the color on hover, so in normal state it's red color, and on hover I want to make the button's background to black color. So to do it, just from here go under hover, and on hover I'm making its color to just make it dark blue. So from here I'm just making it to dark blue. So in normal state it's red, and if I just hover on this button, you see it's super fun, like I said. So in this way, if you want, you can create your whole website. You can just click on this Rubik's cube icon, and you can drag any element from left side to the right side. Then you can give it some style. You can make the font size bigger, smaller. You can add spaces in this way. So by following this way, you can create your whole website, but you see it's kind of time consuming. Because if you want to create this whole website just by drag and drop everything step by step, it will take nearly 3 to 4 hours. I already have 3 to 4 hour long tutorials where I have shown how to create this kind of creative website from scratch step by step. I will put those tutorials link in the description, but in this particular tutorial, my goal is to show you how to create your portfolio website really fast. So to make our amazing portfolio website, we will be using a ready kit from kitpapa.com, and of course it would be a premium kit, but no worries, because I will provide you that kit for completely free. So first of all, I just want to introduce you to kitpapa.com. Here you will find almost all categories websites for yourself or for your clients. Like here, if you just go through all of these templates, also you can go through by these categories. Like here you see, here you will find beauty and spa website kits. Here's the photography, corporate SEO agency, health, medical, tons of different niches websites. So let's say if you want to create a business website for yourself or for your clients, so here at the top we can see one business website. You just need to click over there, and here within this single product page you can see all the details of that kit. And also if you wanna preview the website upfront, you can just click here on this live demo button, and you can see it within this beautiful iframe. So you can pre-decide if it's the perfect kit for your business or for your clients. Also here we have got another interesting thing. So if you want to check the responsiveness of the website, just click on this tablet icon so you can see how it will look on the tablet device. You can click on this mobile icon so you can see how it will look on the mobile device. So when you are pretty happy with all the looks, you can just decide to purchase it from here. And here on kitpapa.com, you will get another interesting thing. With all of these ready kits, you will get a separate installation guide. So there is a video guide for each of this kit on how to install that. And if you just play the video guide, you see here you can see everything step by step, how to install any free theme, how to set up that, how to import the kit, everything you will get within the video guides here. So not only business or portfolio website, if you want any kind of professional website for yourself or for your client, you can get that from kitpapa.com. And for this particular tutorial, we will be using this kit. It says Jettix. So let's just click over here. So like other template kits, you can preview it just by clicking on this live demo. You can see the installation guide from here as well. And here you see its price is only $9.99. So if you want to support this YouTube channel, you can just go ahead and purchase this template kit. I'd really appreciate that. But let's say if you're just starting out and you have no budget, like you have no budget as near as $9.99, then like I said, no worries, I will give it for free. So to get this template kit for free, you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com. From this page, from under important links, you can just click here, download the resources I have used in the tutorial. Then you will get all the images I will be using in this tutorial. Also, you will get the zip file of that premium kit. So no matter if you have downloaded the kit from this page or if you have purchased the kit from kitpapa.com, you will basically get a zip file. So if I just go inside kit, this folder, yep, you will get a zip file like this. And now I will show you how to make your website really fast by using this zip file. So let's just go back inside Elementor page builder. We were here. Okay, actually this was just the demo, so I don't want to use it. So to go back inside of our WordPress dashboard, from left side, just click on this hamburger and then click on exit, and here click on apply, and here click on leave. Now before importing the kit, I just wanna do a few basic settings, but these are important because if you don't follow these step by step, you cannot, you can see some areas are missing, you cannot get all the areas correctly. So I request you to follow each of these steps what I'm doing here. Okay, so the first thing I wanna do here, from the settings, let's now go to permalinks, and here permalink structure, I'm setting it as post name. Just select post name, and here from here click on save changes. Then from left side, hover on Elementor, from there go to settings. Now let's go under advanced tab. From here you see it says enable unfiltered file uploads, just make it enable. Scroll down and click on save changes. And another important settings, from here go under features, and let's scroll down, and here it says nested elements. So just make it to active, and then scroll down and click on save changes. Now I just wanna import this Jettix template kit. So go inside Elementor, and now from under Elementor, this time click on tools, and from here go under import or export kit. Now from this place just click here on start import. It says import a template kit, so I'm clicking here on start import, then click on select file. So this is basically the zip file you have received, so I'm selecting that zip file. Let's now click on open. So whenever you will upload any JSON or zip file, it actually shows some warning because some other files are harmful for your website, but this file is completely safe. So just click here, do not show this message again, and click on continue. Now just keep everything default, just make sure everything is selected. Now from the right bottom corner, click on next. Again, make sure everything is selected by default. So from right bottom corner, click on import. Now just wait a little bit here, don't close this browser. You see all the plugins are activating by itself. Just wait a little, maybe 30 seconds to 1 minute. Just wait a little, don't close this window. Okay, so it says your kit is now live on your site. Cool. So we can actually close it. So from here, click on close. So now if you wanna preview our website after importing the kit, from left top hover on the site name, and this time I'm just opening the visit site from a new tab and have a look here. Here we go, we can see everything here is appearing perfectly. So here we can see some heading. Let's just scroll down. I'm just checking everything is showing perfectly or not. Yep, so we can see everything is showing here perfectly, and I will be showing you very quickly how you can change all of this content with your own content. So here everything is showing perfectly. Also this left bar, you see when I'm scrolling, it's automatically activating, so everything is working really perfectly. Okay, so here of course you see it says hi, I'm Jan. Of course your name is not Jan, your name is any other thing, might be, and also you need to change all of this. So you can do everything from inside of Elementor page builder. So to do it, from here from top you see it says edit with Elementor. Just click there because I will be changing everything just by using Elementor page builder. Alright, so we are inside of Elementor page builder, and changing any content from inside of Elementor page builder is super fun because you just need to click over any content and you will find all the options for changing that on the left side. I'm giving you a quick example. Let's see if you want to change it with your own name. So just click over here, and at the left side you see it says hi, I'm Jan. So here instead I just wanna write hi, I'm Jim. You see it's instantly changed here. Or here I can write my last name. Hey, it says hi, I'm Fahad, or I can just keep it hi, I'm Jim. Okay, and here you see some animating text. It says coder, then designer, and here it says player. So actually these fancy text are coming from this place. So from here let's keep the coder, but I don't wanna keep this player. Also I just wanna delete the designer. So I want to add 2 more new items. So from here, actually you can just duplicate it by clicking here, and with this one I just wanted to say, for example, artist, and then I want to duplicate it one more time, and instead I wanted to say mentor. So just have a look on the animation. First it says coder, and then it says artist, and then it says mentor. So all of them are coming from here perfectly. Okay, so now if you want to change this text from here, just click over that and you can change any, you can change anything from the left side. You can write down about yourself here, and then with this button, actually this one is interesting. So whenever anyone clicks on this download CV button, your CV will be downloaded on their computer instantly. So in order to do that, just first click on this button, and here you will find all the options for changing this button option. So here you can see it says link. So right now it's not linked with anything, so I just want to link it with our CV file. Now here the first thing you need to do whenever you will upload your CV file into your website, okay, I'm just going inside of this image folder. So you need to make your CV file into zip format. You shouldn't upload the PDF formatted CV on your website. You just need to make it in a zip file so people can download it from their computer. Okay, so first of all you need to upload this CV on, zip formatted CV on your WordPress website. So to do it, you can just go back to your WordPress dashboard here on this window, and from left side just hover on media and then click on add new. And now I just want to upload the zip formatted CV file here. You can just select file, click on select file, and you can select the file, zip file from your computer. Also you can just drag it here. So from here I'm just dragging this CV, zip formatted CV file here. You see it's uploaded, and here to get the link of this zip file you can just click here, copy URL to clipboard. It says copied. Now go inside Elementor, just remove this hash and put the URL here. Now if anyone clicks on this button, your zip formatted CV file will be downloaded onto their computer. Okay, and then here is the pop-up button link. So if anyone clicks on this button, the video will appear here at the pop-up. Okay, so to do it, just click over this button here. Now we can see a dummy video, and this video link is basically coming from here. You see it says URL to embed, so it's basically coming from this field. I'm pressing Command A and I'm removing this video link from here. Now here instead, let's say I just wanna embed this video, so from URL bar I'm just copying this video link. Now let's go inside of Elementor page builder, and here I'm just pasting the link here like this. Now let's close it, and from here if I just click on this update button to save our work, and then to preview our work just click on this eyeball icon, so it opens up a new window. And actually we can check the download and this video pop-up from here. So if I now click on this download CV button, just click there, you see it started downloading here. And from this place if I just click on this video pop-up, you see the video we have just embedded is showing here in this place. So we can also play the video from inside of this pop-up. Okay, so let's just close it from here. Next I wanna show you the most interesting thing here with this banner. So we can see a background image here, and you cannot change this color, this greenish type color from inside Elementor page builder, but I will show you how you can do it by using a free online tool. I will show you how you can create this type of creative or this type of image just by using a free online tool. So you just need to have your own image. I will show you by using your own image how you can create this kind of banner picture. Okay, so first of all you just need to go to canva.com. On canva.com you can create a free account, and we don't need any pro version. By using Canva free you can do everything by yourself. Okay, so first of all I just wanna create the banner or the creative the creative image we wanna create. So first of all click on create a design, and first of all we need to select the dimension. Okay, so from here I'm just clicking on custom size, and the custom size would be 1920 by height would be 1080 1080. Okay, so 1920 by 1080 pixel. Okay, click on create new design. So here designing within canva.com is pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So first of all let's select this panel, and I want to make its background color to dark black color. So select this color picker. From here I'm making it black color like this, and then okay, let's just drag it here so we can compare with this real website. Okay, so first of all I just wanna make this curved area. So within the curved area we will have the image of ourselves. Okay, so from here first of all I need to make this curved area. So to do it let's just go inside these elements, and from here I just wanna use some shape. So let's scroll down, and you will find that within frames. Okay, so it says frames. From here click on see all, and from this place actually I'm looking for a frame which is kinda diamond shape. So from here let's scroll down, let it load. Actually they have thousands of frames. So from here, from this place, let's just scroll down more. Okay, so we can use this one. So let's select it, and actually I just want to position it at the middle here, and you can just make it bigger just by dragging its corner just like this, and also you can make it bigger in this way. Just have a look if it's centered align or not. Yep. So just mess with it, just make it, just make its position to the center. Also I just wanna use it in this way. By the way, you can zoom in or zoom out the area, so just like this you can zoom in or zoom out the area. So zoom out a little bit so you can just play with the area. So I think it looks perfect, and yep, so it's positioned at the center here in this place. Okay, so now within this area I want to insert the image. You can put your own image here, so it would look really cool. Okay, so to upload your image, from left side click on uploads and just click on this upload files. You can upload your own image within this area. I already have uploaded this image, so I'm just dragging this image within this frame here. You see it's instantly within the frame. Now if you want, you can just position the image, so just double click over this image and you can position it to the left, right or up and down, but I just want to position it at this place like this. Now click outside. So right now it looks perfect. And then to make it more, to make it look more cool, I just wanna add some object around it. Okay, so first of all, but like I wanna say upfront, all these are optional. Okay, because our goal is to make our website banner really cool. If you want, you can just keep it like this, but I wanna make it really cool. Okay, so from left click on these elements, and this time go back, not frame. I wanna use some shape, so it says shape. Just click on see all. So from the shapes, actually I want to use this shape, so just select it and it's here. And like I said before, you can just increase or decrease the size just by dragging the corners. You can, and if you want to change the height or width, you can do that like this, or you can adjust it in this way. So just play with it, whatever works for you. So I just want to keep it like this, and I'm just increasing the width. Then if you want to rotate anything, you can just press here on this icon and you can rotate it. So I'm just rotating it in this way. Also I just want to reduce its width, and then just click outside because I just want to move it here at this position. So maybe here in this area, in this position, let's just drop it here. And I want to change the color of this shape, so make sure this shape is selected, and then from here at the top just click on this color, and actually I just want to change it to other color, maybe this aqua blue color. So I'm selecting it. You see the color has been changed. But now actually, oops, just click outside. I wanna move it underneath of this image, so let's again select this shape. Now right click over here, and I'm just hovering on the layer, and from this place I'm just clicking on send backward. Now have a look, it's now at the back of this image, but I think we need to adjust its rotation. So first of all, okay, just right click over here and hover on layer, and then click on show layers. So I want to adjust the layer of this shape, so select it, and from here I just wanna adjust the rotation. Also let's drag its position here in this place just like this, and also I wanna add some lines here and there. So again from shapes, let's select this one. So I'm selecting it, and I wanna make it really narrower just like this, and also drag its corner to make it in more height. So, and here I just wanna rotate it a little bit. So from here let's make it rotated in this way, and just by dragging this corner, you see it's now looking like 8. But I think we can just make it more narrower just like this, and then I just want to duplicate it. Okay, so to duplicate it, you see you have just selected it, and at the top it says duplicate. So let's duplicate it, and the duplicated one I want to drag it. So just by clicking here, let's drag it here in this place. Let's just move it to the top, and actually I just wanna make it here at this place, just like this. And again I want to duplicate it, so click here to duplicate it, and this time let's just drag it at the top in this place, just like this. And also I want to duplicate it, so click here to duplicate, and this time just drag it here in this place and move your cursor here. So at this moment it's looking like it, but I think we also need to match this color with this aqua blue color. So just select it from the color picker, make it to aqua blue. Also with this one, this one, make it aqua blue. Also with this one, make it aqua blue, and with this one, this one, make it aqua blue. So just have a look now. It looks now really cool. Then if you wanna give it any name, so from here you can just give it name. I'm naming it one banner image, just like it. You can name it anything from here, and now you can download it for free. So from top right corner, click on share, then from here click on this download button and make sure the type is PNG formatted, and then click on this download button. Just wait a little bit, it will be downloaded automatically like this. You see it already been downloaded. Alright, let's now go back within Elementor page builder, and here I wanna change this image with the new image we have just created. And here I wanna show you another thing. If you want, you can just drag this left bar, you can make it smaller or bigger so you can see the main website on or the right portion properly. Okay, so here actually if you wanna select this banner, just right click over here, and from here click on navigator so you can see the structure of the website. So here make sure you have selected this hero banner. Just click over this hero banner from navigator. Now from left side, go under the style tab. You see this image is basically coming from this place. Now click on choose image, then go to upload files, and we have all the images here. You can just drag and drop from this place. So we have just created this image, actually not this one, we have just created this image. Just drop it here within this place, then click on this select button, and here we go. We can see our beautiful banner what we have just created. Okay, so from here let's just close the navigator so you can see everything properly. Also if we minimize the bar, you can see the real view of the website. It looks really cool. Actually I have intentionally changed this color to this aqua blue color because you may have different brand colors than this greenish color. Okay, so you can create this color. If you just go back to Canva and from here, okay, just let's click outside. If you have a different brand color, you just need to click over there, and from this color picker, and you can just open up the color picker and you can select your brand color from here. So now you know how to create this kind of image with your own brand color. And also I will show you very quickly how you can change all of these green color to your brand color. So I will show you that very shortly, but before that I wanna show you how you can change the content of other areas. By the way, whenever you do any change, if you don't wanna lose your hard work, don't forget to click on this update button to save your work. Alright, let's now scroll down, and here is the about me area, and you are already familiar with Elementor page builder. So let's say here instead of about me, if you want to say it any other thing, just click over there. You can change the text from left side. If you want to change this heading with any other text, just click over this heading and you can change the text from left side. Okay, so let's now scroll down. So same with all of them. Like let's say if you just change any content, so here just click over there. This is basically an image box. So if you wanna change this with any other icon, so you can just replace this icon from here. You can change this my ambition text from here. You can change this details text from within this field. Okay, and also with the also with same with this area, and from right side, if you want to change this image with your own image, just click over this image. And from left side, let's say instead of this image, I just wanna use one image of mine. So I'm selecting it and click on select. You see the image has been changed instantly. But I just wanna go back to the previous image, so I'm pressing Command Z to undo it. And here, if you want, you can change this experience area, so just click over it. So the fun part with Elementor is, if you want to change anything, just click over that content. And from left side, if you want to change this icon, you can change that from this area. Here, let's say instead of 15 plus years, here I just wanted to say 12 plus years. Okay, so instead of 15, I'm just writing here 12 plus, then here it says years of experience, just like that. Very easy. Okay, so let's scroll down, and here is the my services area. So you already know, if you want, you can change this text, this heading, everything. And also from this area, if you want, you can change this icon, you can change this icon, this heading, this paragraph, this button, and also you can change the button links. Now here I want to show you another interesting thing. Let's say here, if you want to change this icon, just click over this icon. You see it's basically coming from here, so just click over there, go to Elements Kit icon pack. You can select any of this icon from here. So let's say if you wanna just select this store icon, just select it, click on insert. You see the icon has been changed instantly. Also, if you wanna change the icon color, you can just go under the style tab. Then here the secondary color, you can just make it red. You see it's becoming red instantly. So you can just mess with them, you can change if you want, but I'm just going back the way it were. Then have a look with these buttons. Okay, so let's say if you're a freelancer and you have different gigs for website design, you have another different gig for logo design, and you want to link them with these buttons. Okay, so whenever anyone clicks on this button, that will take them to your other marketplace gig. So just click on this button, and then you just need to remove this hash from here, and you just need to paste your other marketplace profile link here. So whenever anyone just come to your website and they want to take the web design service, if they click on read more, that will take them to your marketplace account. Now let's say instead of these three, you may have more services, right? So you can do another thing. Actually, I just wanna open up the navigator. So in this area, I'm just right clicking over here, and let's open the navigator. So here within the navigator, so here this is the service area, and within the service area here you have got another container. Now underneath this container, so here you see this area is now highlighted. So within this container we have got these three different services. Now if I just duplicate this container, so put your cursor at the top of this container, right click over here and click on duplicate. You see these three services has been duplicated at the bottom here in this place. Now I'm just closing the navigator. Let's say if you have more services like UI UX design, okay, so you just need to change it to UI UX or any other thing, you can change them. Okay, you can change the icon, you can change the link, everything. And if you don't want to keep them, you can delete it very easily. So just put your mouse cursor here on this container icon, right click over here and click on delete. You see it's deleted. Also I want to delete it, right click over here, click on delete. Also right click over here, then click on delete. We can see an empty container here, so right click over here and click on delete. Then right after this services area, here we have got the skills area. Though for some reason we cannot see the content underneath here, so if I just click on education, we cannot see it yet. Okay, so for now I'm just clicking on update to save our work, and I will be refreshing the page. So let's refresh it. Actually sometimes these kind of things happen, so the solution is you just need to save the page, and if you refresh you can see everything is working perfectly. Okay, so yep, so we can see everything perfectly underneath this tab. So here we can see the download option, and here is the education tab, here is the experience tab. But actually I just wanna make it super easy. Okay, so here I don't need this download CV here, so I'm just deleting it from here. And also I don't need this education twice, so I'm also deleting one of the education from here. So let's select the last education, and I'm deleting it from here, from this area. So here I just want to keep this education and experience, this two skill set. So underneath this education you can describe about all of your educational background, from where you have completed your education, and underneath the experience tab you can showcase all of your working experiences. Okay, as I have deleted some element, we need to just save the page one more time, and let's just refresh the page. Okay, so here from under education you can just describe all your educational background, so from where you have completed your MBA or any other degree you have done. So here you need to put your university, and here is the your session. Here you can add the name of your degree, so it's MBA. If in your country there is a different name for anything, you can just put that. It's nothing serious, just go with it, do some fun. And here if you wanna highlight anything about the educational experiences which is relatable with your professional life, you can actually highlight that. So in this way you can add all of your educational history here. Let's say if you have only 3 educational background, okay, so you can just delete one from here. So you can just right click over here and you can delete one of them. So it's nothing serious. Okay, and no client will decide not to hire you only because you have 1 degree less than other. It's not work like that, right? So here I'm just pressing Command Z, so we will get back this option. And now let's go under experience tab. So here we can put all your previous job history, like where you have done. Let's say if you are a freelance web designer, so here you can write, just select it. So first one, for example, creative. Okay, I just here I'm writing freelance designer, and actually it would be your this would be your role and it would be the company name. So here instead it would be, for example, you are doing freelancing on Upwork, so here I'm writing Upwork, and here your role, that would be freelance designer, and let's say it's all right, 2019 to present, like that. And also if you want you can play with all of this text. So far you can work with the skills area the way I have just shown you. Okay, so let's just scroll down, and here is the portfolio area. This one is very important because you need to showcase some of your portfolios, because clients always want to show your previous work. So here I'm assuming you're a web developer, so how you can showcase your portfolios in this area. And it's easily understandable. If you are a graphic designer, or let's say if you're a logo designer, you can just put that logo picture here. But let's say if you're a web designer, how can you show your work within these images, right? So let's say if you are a web designer, so actually you can just put a snapshot of your website work instead of this image. I'm just showing you one example, so I'm selecting this one. So instead of this image, let's just select another image. So from my computer I have created one template, or for I'm just assuming I have created one restaurant website for my previous client. So I'm just dragging one screenshot of that website here within the website, and I'm selecting this image, click on select, and then people can see the preview of the website. At least they can see the snapshot, or the what should I say, the preview of the website here. And here instead of sheet metal whatever it says, I'm just writing here restaurant website. So here if I hover, it says restaurant website, and here instead of this, just click there, and I want it to say live preview. And when anyone clicks on this live preview, that will take them to the website I have created. So for example, let's say I have created this website and this is the URL. So from the search bar, I'm just copying the URL, go inside Elementor and remove the hash inside of this link field. I'm pasting the URL here. Okay, And also here I want to do another thing. Right now if anyone clicks on this live link, it will take them to the client's website instead, on this particular page, but I don't want that. Whenever anyone clicks on this link, that will open up to a new window, so they won't get out from our own website. Okay, so to make it happen, from here just click on this link options, and I'm just selecting open in new window. Okay, so click on update and have a look. If I just preview it, I'm just showing you what I wanted to say. So it's reloaded. Let's now scroll down, and from here, okay, so I have added the link here. If I now just click on live preview, you see it's just opening up a new window and showing the website here in this place. All right, next let's scroll down. Here actually within this marquee you can add some fun fact about yourself or your skills, what represent yourself or your skills. Okay, so just click over that, and actually you can just make it bigger just like this, so you can put all the keywords here. All this text will become marquee here. They will move from left side to the right side. So for example, here actually the Python spelling is wrong here. Okay, so for the moment, okay, I'm just writing Python in right spelling. Then instead of world, here I'm writing just CSS, and here instead of development, here I'm just writing, for example, Figma, and then this instead of this PHP, here I'm writing Photoshop. So just have a look. So here you see all this Python design, then this if you just click outside, it will be shown perfectly. So here Figma, Photoshop, and all of the text you have written within this place, because actually on real website it won't be looking like it. So just click outside. If you just go inside title, you can see whatever you have written within this field, all the text are now going from left side to the right side. Alright, let's now scroll down. Now within this contact field, if you wanna change this icon with any other icon, you can do that. Just click over there, and instead of this icon, if you wanna select any other icon, you can do that from this place. Okay, and now you can add your phone number here within this place. And here I wanna show you another interesting thing. For example, if you just select this phone number, and here from left side open the items, you can actually change the phone number with your own phone number. And here I want to do another interesting thing. Whenever anyone clicks on this phone number, they can directly call us. Okay, so here actually it's a mistake. It says call to. Actually it should say just tel, TEL, then a colon, and then you need to put your whole phone number without any dash or hyphen, whatever the symbol. You just need to put the correct phone number without any symbol. So if within the link field, if you just type tel colon and then your full phone number, so now if anyone clicks over this link, they will they can directly call you on your phone. Okay, and within this location field, let's just click over here, and inside of text I just wanted to say view on map. And here within this link field, actually I just wanna put a link of Google Map. Okay, so I'm just pasting a Google Map link. I will show you later how you can do that as well. And here within this field, actually I wanna put an email address. So here click on this pencil icon, open up, and here I just wanna say here, for example, book appointment. Okay, and here I want to link it with an email address. So first of all I need to write mail to, then a colon, and then I will be writing my email address, which is jimfdigital@gmail.com. so now if anyone clicks on this link, that will open up their email sending app, and they can directly send me email without any hassle. Okay, I'm just showing you quickly what I mean by that. So if I now preview the page, so let it load on the right tab here. So let's now scroll down, and here, okay, so first of all the phone number. Okay, if I now click on the phone number, as right now I'm on desktop, so it says if you wanna make a direct call on Skype, you can do that. But if you just click on this link from your mobile phone, you can actually directly call them on their phone. Okay, so I'm now just canceling it. And here if you just click on map, it will take them to the Google Map address. And if you click on book appointment, it will open up my Mac email, so I can directly send them email. Okay, now from here, if I just click on view on map, you see it's now taking us to the Google Map. But here we have done one mistake. Okay, I'm just going back, because you see we are actually we are leaving our website and we are going inside of the Google Map. So if we just come back within Elementor page builder, so here we need to do the same thing. So click on this gear icon and click on open in new window. Okay, now let's update it again. And if we now preview it, so this time let's now scroll down, and if I click on view on map, you see it's now opening up on a new window here. And if you wonder how you can put your Google Map link on any button, so let's say you can just go to Google Map, you can select your Google Map location. For example, if you are the owner of this Mountain View Hospital, let's just select this Mountain View Hospital. So you will get everything, I mean you will get the exact Google Map location from here, and you just need to select here, click on share. You see it's generated a code for you, so click on copy now. And this time if I just go back inside Elementor, and here instead of this link, I'm just removing this link and pasting the link I have just copied. So click on update. If I now preview it, so this time let's scroll down, and if I just click on view on map, you see it's now showing the Mountain View Hospital Google Map address. So it's very easy like it. Alright, now we have a very little thing remaining, which is right underneath here. We need to add our contact form area. So from inside of Elementor page builder, let's scroll down, and here if you just move your cursor, you see there is a empty container. Actually, if you can if you just open up your navigator, you can also open up your navigator from here. So click on navigator. So from the navigator, here at the bottom here we can see footer, but at the top of the footer here is another container, and within the container you can see there is a widget, it says made form. So just click on this made form, and at the left side you can see it says edit form. Just click there, and here you can name it anything, make sure it's new, and I'm just naming it my form 1, and just keep it default, keep it create from scratch, and click on edit form. And here actually you need to import a JSON file, but no worries, because I already have provided that to you. Actually, if you just go to your folder, let's go back, you may remember within this kit folder you have downloaded or purchased this Jettix zip file. First of all, you just need to unzip the file. Then within this folder, let's go inside of this folder, you will find a folder, it says KP templates. Okay, now let's open up this, and within the KP templates you will find two JSON formatted files. One is contact form.json and another one is header.json. We will talk about the header file later. Let's just focus on this contact form JSON file. Now from here, to upload the JSON file, click on this folder icon and click on this top arrow icon. This is basically the import template icon. Now click on select file. So from inside this folder, from inside KP templates, so select the contact form and click on open. Here you go, it says contact form, click on insert, and here click on apply. So we can see the contact form here. Now just click on this update and close button, and here you go, here is our beautiful form. But actually with this form we need to do a little bit of settings, otherwise we cannot receive any email notification whenever anyone fill up this form. Okay, so from here click on this edit form one more time, and make sure this time just click on select form, and we have created the my form 1, so make sure it's selected. Click on edit form. So here with this form we need to do some settings. So from here click on form settings, and I just wanna enable the notification option. So go under notification, turn on the notification mail to admin, this option. And email subject, you can select anything because you will receive the email, and whatever you want to get the email, you can select the subject. So here I'm just writing email from JF Digital Portfolio, for example. Then email to, this will be your email address where you want to receive this. So basically I wanna receive the email to my this email address, and here within this email from and email reply to, you need to write a code. Actually it's not code, it's short code. So within the third bracket you just need to write mf dash, or you may say it hyphen. So I'm saying it mf dash email. You need to write it exactly like this, okay? Otherwise it won't work. Just copy it one more time within the email reply to field. I'm just writing within the third bracket it says mf dash email. As we are using Medform, so this code is basically coming from Medform, so you need to write exactly this code, okay? So let's scroll down and click on save change, and from here click on update and close. Also this page, click on update to save our work. And if we now preview the page, have a look. I just wanna fill up the contact form. So here I'm just assuming, okay, I'm not assuming, I'm just writing my name is Jim Fahad, and here is subject, I need a logo, and email address jimfdigital@gmail.com, and here I'm saying I need a logo, are you available, just like that, and click on submit, and it says thank you, form submitted successfully. Now the email I have set on the settings, I'm going the inbox of that email, and yep, I have just received one email. So if I open it, I can see my name Jim Fahad. Here is the subject, I need a logo. Here is the email address, whatever I have put on the form, and here is the details of this. So if I now just want to reply to my client, I can click here reply, and I can reply back to him or her. All right. So we are almost done with this website. Okay, here we can do another simple thing. So with the footer, so let's say if you wanna change the footer text, you can just click over there. So instead of Jettix, I just want it to say JF Digital, and then with these menu items, just click over there. Let's say you have other pages. For example, you have your terms and condition page, you have your disclaimer page. You can just link those pages with this. So here is a typo. So I just wanna change it to terms and condition, and you can put the link of that page if you want. You can put the link here in this place, okay? So in this way you can actually customize your footer as well. Now I wanna show you another interesting thing. Like here at the desktop it looks perfect, but if you just want to check the responsive view, so from here go to responsive mode, and at the top if you just go to the tablet to see how it's looking on tablet, just have a look. Okay, so from top, so everything is looking on tablet perfectly, so nothing to worry. But here you need to check another thing, because I don't know about your server settings. So always do this one thing, just click on this hamburger icon, just go inside of this user preferences, and from here you see it says hidden elements, it says show. You always need to make it hide, okay, just like this. Otherwise sometimes you cannot work with some of the areas. So from this area hidden elements, make it to hide. Okay, now if I from the tablet view, if I click on this hamburger, we can see this empty area, nothing is here. Okay, also let's just close it. If I okay, let's close it. If I just go back to our mobile view, so on the mobile everything is looking perfect, but we also need to add the navigation menu here. Okay, so let's go back. First of all, I'm just clicking on update to save our work, and one more time just refresh the page. So we are just making sure everything is working perfectly. Okay, so now let's just again click on responsive mode, and here go to tablet view. Here we can see the bar. just click on this hamburger icon. We cannot see the details here. So actually I have the JSON file for that. So from here click on edit content, and here we will be importing the JSON file. So click on this folder icon. From here click on this import template icon here, and here let's click on select file, and this time let's select the header.json file. Click on open. So here is the file, and from here click on this insert button, click on apply. So here we go. Okay, so click on this update button to save our work. Let's now close it by clicking on this X. Now have a look from here or from the mobile view. If I now click on this hamburger icon, we can see the sidebar menu here. So from tablet and mobile device, people can also see the sidebar now. Very cool. So we can now go back to the desktop view, or we can just close it from top right corner. And here I want to make you understand how these left menu items are working. So if you click on about me, you see it just jumps to the about me area. If you click on service, it just jumps to the service area. Actually, if you just have a look with this icon list, so just have a look on the left side. So here with the about me, just open, you see within the link field it's linked with #about. If I open the service, you see it's linked with #service. So here if I just open up the service area, so here is the container icon, just click over that, and from here go under advanced tab. You see actually here with the services area, the CSS ID is service. That's why whenever we have clicked on service, it's linked with the hash, then the CSS ID name. And similarly, if I click on about, you see this is the about area. If I click on this about container, just click over that. If I just go under its advanced tab, you see here is also a CSS ID which is about. So this ID name should be identical with the link of this menu items. So here if I just click on this about me, and here you see with this about me, it's actually linked with hash, then the CSS ID name. So by following the same rule, we can do another thing. Like here, like I said, if you want, you can link them with your freelancing marketplaces account, but you can do another thing here. So if I just click on this contact, so here is the contact area. So this is the contact areas container, and if I go under advanced tab, here you can see the CSS ID name is contact. So I'm just copying it, and let's scroll up. Now with each of this button, I just wanna link it with that area. Okay, so select this button, and here right after hash without any space, I'm just pasting contact. With this button as well, hash contact. Also with this button, hash contact. So now if I click any of this button, so I'm just clicking on this read more button, you see it just takes us to this contact area. How cool is that? So here the very last thing I wanna show you, like I said, you may have different brand color. So let's say if you have this brand color throughout this whole website, how can you change that? It's actually very easy. It's all coming from one single place. First of all, I'm just saving the work, whatever I have done so far. Now first thing I wanna do, I need to change the global color. So from here click on this hamburger icon. From here click on site settings. Now let's go inside global colors, and here actually we need to change this primary color with your brand color. Okay, so here you just need to put your brand color, so all the green color will be converted into your brand color. Okay, so here I'm just typing hash 0BC0DF. So it's basically that aqua blue color, and now click on update to save this color. Now from top click on X, and you see almost all the green color is converted to the aqua blue color. So here actually we need to change a few other colors like this, but have a look, most of the green color has been converted to the aqua blue color like this. So here every green color has been converted. Other remaining colors we need to fix manually. Don't worry about that because I will show you the easiest way. Okay, So all these colors, I mean, you see all these green colors, these are basically coming from some custom code. So to get the custom code, actually here you need to open up this navigator one more time, and here at the very last container, just open up this. So within this container, you see there is a HTML widget. Just click there and you will find some sort of coding here within this area. Just don't worry about all these codes. You just need to put the color code in 4 places. Okay, so here at the line number 15, instead of this color, you need to put the same color code, which is hash 0bc0df. And actually you can just copy this color code, and here on the 20th line, instead of this color, just paste the color code here. And also let's scroll down. We just need to change the color code from 2 other places. So from here on the line number 118, here I'm changing the color code, just paste the other color. Also here at the line number 122, I'm just pasting the color code here as well. Then just click on this update button to save our work, and also I'm closing the navigator. So here now almost all the green color has been converted to this aqua blue color, and I think a few just remaining. Actually we can apply some quick trick, and you know, these are images, but I will show you another hack how you can also change the change this image's green color to that aqua blue color. Okay, but before that, here just have a look. All the green color has been converted to blue, but this area, actually we need to change these logos. These are not logos, these are icons. So select it. We can actually select another phone number, phone icon. So from here, let's select another phone icon. So from here, I'm just searching for call. So let's select this one, and this one is for location. So let's select it, and here from Elementor Kit icon pack, I'm just searching for map. So I'm selecting this one, and this one is for email. So here I'm just searching for mail. So I'm selecting this, click on insert. Okay, and here you can change all of these colors with the aqua blue color. So just select it, go under the style tab, and from here the secondary color, I'm just pasting the aqua blue color code. So it's simple like that. Now you can just right click over here, click on copy, and with this one right click over here, click on paste style. So color has been pasted here. Also with this one right click over here and click on paste style. So color has been pasted. So all the green color has converted to the aqua blue color. In this way you can also change your brand color. And here I think we have done with everything, and yep, we need to change this green color and this green color, but these are images. But no worries, I have a little hack for you. Just click over there. Now go under the style tab. With this image, click on the image, and here actually we will be doing the hack just by tweaking the CSS filters. Okay, so from the CSS filters, and if you want to match with your own brand color, you need to be little creative here. You just need to mess around with the saturation and with the hue to get your desired color. Okay, so there is no specific rule. This is just my personal hack. You can just mix and match with the saturation and hue to get your desired color. So here I have messed with it, and I have found that if I just keep the saturation value to 107 and hue value to 45, it will get us to this aqua blue color. So in this way you can get your brand color just by messing with this saturation and hue. So let's do the same with this image as well. So from here, image, CSS filters, it would be 107, and here it would be 45. Also here we can see a image is breathing here. So select it, go under its style tab. From here, CSS filters, I'm just making the saturation value to 107, and here hue value to from here 45. So it's now also getting this aqua blue color. Alright, now the very last thing I want to show you. I think we have done with everything. So here the very last thing, if you want to change it with your own logo, I'm showing you how to change your logo. By the way, if you want to create your logo just by using free online tool, I have a different tutorial for that. I will put that tutorial making videos link in the description as well. Now I'm just showing you how you can put the logo here within this website. By the way, my max battery is almost low. Okay, so I'm finishing it within next 2 to 3 minutes. Now here to add the logo, it's pretty easy. Just click over this logo, and here you just need to change the logo with your own logo. So from here within the image folder, I'm just adding this logo here, and let's just click on select. So here our logo has been replaced, and here don't forget to do another thing, because you may remember we have add another header and we have a logo with that. So just go to the responsive view and go to the tablet or mobile view, and here if I just open up the mobile menu, so from here just click on edit content. We need to update the logo from here as well, so let's select it, and instead of this one, go to upload files, because we already have just go to media library, because we already have uploaded it. Just select the logo, click on select, and then click on update, then click on X. So here if I now click on this hamburger icon, we can see the updated logo here as well. Cool. And now I want to show you another thing, which is how to add your favicon. Okay, so favicon is basically the little tiny icon you can see at the top of every website. Okay, so if you want to add the little tiny icon at the top, you can just click on this hamburger icon, and from here just click on site settings. Then let's scroll down, and from here click on site identity, and here you see it says site favicon. Okay, just click here on the choose image, and also from desktop I just want to upload this favicon, and make sure you always select any square shape favicon. So it might be 100 by 100 pixel or 200 by 200 pixel, so make sure it's a square image. Okay, so it would look great on the browser top. So I'm just uploading the favicon here, then click on select. By the way, we cannot see it yet at the top, but if I just save this page and if I click on this eyeball icon to preview the site, now here at the top you can see the little tiny favicon here. Cool. So let's now have a final look as we have completed the website. So now the banner is looking great with this animated text. Here is the button to download our CV. Here we can see the video pop-up, so everything is looking great. Here we have got this about area. We have changed these colors. Actually, at least we tried to change the color by doing some hacks, and here everything is looking great. Here is the services area, here is the my skills area with this beautiful tab, and then here is the portfolio area, and if anyone clicks on this live preview, that will take them to the portfolio live website. Here you can see the beautiful marquee with all the skills and fun facts. Here we can see some call to some areas that about phone number, location or address, and then here we have got our beautiful contact form, and here is the footer. Also, if you notice, while we scroll the left side, these areas are becoming activating, so everything is working perfectly. Alright, so we have completed our amazing portfolio website. Now just go ahead and make your own portfolio website. I wish you all the best, and I have just one request. Please comment down below about the learning experience from this video. Also, please share this video on social media. It would mean the world to me. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.